Hello everyone! Today I will talk to you about the next part of my exercise track, this one. Finally, we arrived to my favorite section of this exercise track, where the really tricky, really technical parts coming. Yeah, this is just my favorite. When you are riding here up, you have the momentum already from the ascent pit. You don't need extra gas. When you are coming here up, you are already preparing for the corner. You are already concentrating here. You pull in the clutch a little bit, you lean in the bike and put your body position on the opposite side. And just keep your eyes always on the next obstacle and play with the clutch, whatever necessary to keep the motorbike in optimal speed. When you feel it wants to break out, just pull in the clutch, but always keep sliding. Here, when you are here, nothing's happening, just relax. When you are arriving to this corner, no need any extra body position for the braking because you have no velocity. No need extra braking. So when you are here, yet again, pull in the clutch a little bit to control the corner because it's really slow speed corner. Focus on your body position and the motorbike balance. Let the clutch slide out easily. Here you are still front on the bike, and when you put the motorbike in the hole, when you let it go finally down, then you just pull a clutch a little bit in, because your rear wheel might be blocking 100% and your motorbike might stall. So just play this thing with it. And here is one last trick. When you let your motorbike just drop into this pit and you are turning in this corner, your clutch is pulled in because you don't need the gas or the motorbike power. And this is the time when you can put your motorbike back into the second gear, because the next part of this track you will need speed and you will need power, and you will have it from the Yamaha T7. Take this tight turn. In the second gear, easy clutch out and accelerate as much as you can, because there is only one straight line. Just a perfect motocross track imitation. So what to do here? Not much. Just keep your balance, hold your bike with your knees and accelerate as fast as you can. Keep your motorbike front wheel up at the bumps, because when you let the front in, it just bumps much more. So just like as you see on the motocross track, the motocross riders always keep the front up and the rear just bounces out the holes, the potholes, which here are very frequently and very deep. Certainly you must take attention for these bumps, because they are not huge, but they are big enough to put you out of balance. There are some stones even, and there are some freak roots which can lead your front wheel out of balance. Just keep the throttle above 50%, or around 50% and ride as fast as you can. Just help the suspension, take the bumps one after another. And here we are yet again. You can already see the next corner, see the jump. So the next turn is starting, the next lap starting. Keep exercise and yeah, keep exercise. Have fun on your own track, and I hope you enjoy this mini series of explaining how to ride on this track. Maybe you could learn something even from it. And if you did, just keep following my channel because, yeah, I don't know why. Anyway, see you next time in the next video. Thank you. Ciao.